How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have WhatsApp application installed over here, you just happen to block a certain person, let's say. So I'll just go ahead and unblock this person by tapping the three dots and then just tapping on block. What happens is that this is going to get added to our block list, and for this, if we come to the profile page from the top right and then we just navigate to this little section known as privacy or so on, you'll scroll down. Here you'll find block contacts. Here you'll be able to see a list of those blocked contacts. Now, how do you delete those people from blocked contacts? Well, you know that WhatsApp will keep a record of your blocked contacts, so that anytime in the future you want to unblock that person, you can always come back to this section and unblock them. So bottom line is that you cannot remove them from this list over here unless you choose to unblock them. You cannot just make it disappear from the blocked contact list. Even if you tell that you don't want to see this person, that's simply not WhatsApp belongs and works. WhatsApp has a certain rule, there has a certain policy, because if later in the future you decide you want to unblock and you cannot find that person's number, it's going to be difficult for you. So it is for our own benefit that WhatsApp will not let us do this thing. The only way to do this is by simply leaving them in contacts, leaving them in this block contact section, or by simply unblocking them. You have to choose one of the two options. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.